Welcome back. Colors of Sambal are changing this Holi because after 48 years, the Kalkeshwar Mandir in Sambal's Khaggu Sarai area celebrated Holi in its true spirit. Local Hindus marked the festivities with petal showers, color splashing and Shiv bhajans. These celebrations are taking place amid tight security in the ancient town. Flag march is currently underway. Circle Officer Anuj Chaudhary is monitoring the security arrangements and leading his men as they march through sensitive areas to ensure law and order is maintained. Parallelly, ASI team has reached Shahi Jama Masjid to oversee whitewashing of the mosque. On the sidelines, the president of Sambal Shahi Jama Masjid, Zafar Ali, also announced that Friday prayers on 14th of March will be held at 2:30 p.m. due to Holi celebrations.
Right now you can see flag march has started in Sambal area. More than 4 to 5 companies of police personnel are part of this flag march. They're trying to ensure that during Holi and Friday prayers, no untoward incident take place. The idea behind this flag march is that to keep all those anti-national, anti-social elements at bay. Not only that, they are also trying to ensure that no untoward incident takes place. They are also trying to restore confidence of people so that large number of people can take part during Holi procession. And right now you can see the police personnel, they are moving from outside Jama Masjid Mosque, a disputed structure, and the structure has already been covered with tarpaulin sheets because they do not want the color to be smeared on the walls of Jama Masjid. Besides this, many other mosques have also been covered. And here you can see this police personnel, men in khaki, moving from lanes and by-lanes. They are trying to tell people that you should take part in this Holi procession in large number. They want that Holi to be celebrated with full zeal and fervor. They are also trying to communicate one thing, that anti-social elements, if anyone trying to instigate or provoke or create any kind of trouble, they will not be spared. That's one of the reasons that you can see right now a large contingent of police personnel. They are moving from lanes and by-lanes of Sambal and will continue to do so. Since yesterday, this is basically the festival of Bhaichara. This is the festival of communal harmony. That is what we have to see. And
all right, let's now show you how Holi was celebrated at the ancient Hindu temple in Khaggu Sarai. It is believed that these holy rituals have been performed here after 48 years.
Right now you can see that floral petals are being showered and beside it the color is being splashed. And here Holi is being celebrated at Kalkeshwar Mandir here in Khaggu Sarai. There's a lot of enthusiasm, and why not? Because it's after 48 years, finally the Holi Milan function is being organized by Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and finally the gates of were thrown open for devotees. And since then we have seen Jal Abhishek is being performed, and now here the Holi celebration. कितना उत्साह है 48 वर्ष एक लंबा समय उसके बाद होली का जो त्योहार मनाया जा रहा है।
46 वर्षों के बाद इस मंदिर को आज हम लोग सभी इकट्ठे हुए हैं और 46 वर्षों के बाद इस मंदिर पर होली मनाई जा रही है। बड़ा ही उत्साह है। सभी विश्व हिंदू परिषद के, बजरंग दल के, हमारे सभी कार्यकर्ता यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं और सभी बड़ी धूमधाम से इस होली का पर्व को मनाने जा रहे हैं। इस बार एक अलग ही लोगों के अंदर जोश खरोश के साथ होली मनाने का एक जज्बा है। उसका प्रमुख कारण ये है कि संबल को जो पहचान मिली है, संबल का जो अस्तित्व छुपा हुआ था, वो हमारे शासन की तरफ से, शासन के प्रयासों से उसे उजागर किया गया है।
Holi will complete a zeal and fervor, and security has also been beefed up. You can see right now large number of police personnel have also been deployed ahead of Holi. They want that there should be no law and order problem.
Well, there's politics happening as well over the steps taken by Yogi administration to ensure security is heightened and maintained well during Holi. The decision to cover mosques of Sambal has led to a political face-off. Listen in.
ये तो बातें सिर्फ कहने को हैं। रियलिटी ये है कि योगी आदित्यनाथ को उत्तर प्रदेश की मुख्यमंत्री की गद्दी से इनका शीर्ष नेतृत्व उठाकर कैबिनेट में बैठाना चाहता है। तो जो ये हिंदू मुसलमान कहेंगे लगातार योगी आदित्यनाथ और उनकी कैबिनेट कर रही है, उसके कारण सिर्फ एक है, कुर्सी खतरे में है। धर्म न कल खतरे में था, न आज खतरे में है और न कल खतरे में होगा। ये संभल हो या कोई और बातें हो, वो तो सिर्फ एक प्रोपेगेंडा है और इसके सिवा कुछ भी नहीं।
देखिए, ये भाजपा आरएसएस सोची समझी साजिश के तहत मकसद क्या है, क्यों ऐसा चाहते हैं? क्योंकि देश के जो ज्वलंत मुद्दे हैं, बेरोजगारी है, महंगाई है, महिला सुरक्षा है, किसान है, गिरती अर्थव्यवस्था, गिरता रुपया, बस इस पे बात ना हो जाए, इसलिए इनको भटकाइए। इस देश में ईद और होली मनाई जाती रही है पहले, ऐसा नहीं कि पहली बार हो रहा है। मुंह तोड़ जवाब भाजपा, आरएसएस, इनके विधायक, इनके नेता, इनकी सरकारों में जो इस तरह का जहर उगल रहे हैं, उन्हें मुंह तोड़ जवाब आप देते आए हैं अपनी एकता से, अभी भी दीजिए।
At the same time, in Sambhal, where the communal tensions were going on, the Muslims have cooperated so nicely. They have just covered the mosque, and administration is taking great care. But why politics in the name of Holi, hangama in the name of Holi? They want to vitiate the atmosphere of this country. इस देश का सौहार्द खराब करना चाहते हैं ये विपक्षी, चाहे कांग्रेस हो गए चाहे ममता बानो हो गए. शर्म आनी चाहिए ना.
First of all, why should any place be covered? That means you suspect that people will throw water or colors. I mean, Holi has been celebrated in India for thousands of years. There has never been cases that this kind of thing would happen. And if there are people who may or may not want to celebrate a particular festival, whole problem has been with BJP that they've started politicizing and communalizing each and everything. And I must tell them, festivals don't belong to you. You don't determine how people play festivals. People determine how they play festivals.
With that, we're slipping into a very short break. A lot more lined up on the other side.